So, okay, this is Thursday, October 16th. So what do you do when you got a hurricane coming and you got pieces and parts of a hotel laying around? Well, you bring in some people to help take care of the problem. So first thing they're doing, brought in a big trailer full of sand and gravel, filling up sandbags. They won't go up here, and I'll show you what they're going to do with the sandbags. Okay, so we're up here on the second floor above the dining room where all these sweets burnt. But about the only thing that can be done to help keep this stuff from flying all over is just start covering it all up. So they're bringing in this big heavy 6 mil plastic, putting it around, and then going to hold it down with sandbags. And we're of course crossing our fingers that this hurricane or tropical storm, whatever it turns out to be, just goes away, decides Kauai has had enough and Coco Palms has had enough. But look at all this stuff they got to cover up, just everywhere. Tons and tons and tons and more tons of stuff to cover up before that thing gets here. So that's what we're doing down here at Coco Palms, and just crossing our fingers that Hurricane Anna goes away, decides that we're too beautiful of an island to mess up again. Okay. You guys cross your fingers too. Aloha nui loa.